Hey, what's up, you guys? This is your girl, Who Bossy with Bossy Solutions. And today I've got one, two, three. Yes, three unsecured credit cards for people with bad credit. Okay. And on this channel, we discuss business, finance, and freelance. And we get you the bag and we talk about credit. And so today I have three brand new cards for you. And so I want to start out talking about the Revy card, okay? And the Revy card it stuck out to me because it has a 1% cash back rewards program, okay? This is for people with bad credit, and you can get qualified for up to $300. There is a program fee that you have to pay upon approval before you can even use the card of $89. You do have a mobile app, and you can use this credit card pretty much anywhere where credit cards are accepted. So if you want to try this card out, let me know if you get approved. I have it linked in the description, okay? And let's move on to the next card, okay? The next card that we're going to be talking about is Total, okay? And Total is very similar to the Revy card. The application looks very similar. They may be owned by the same company. However, the Total card, you get another $300 credit limit if you got approved for this card. There is another $89 program fee that you would have to pay up before you even activate the card in order to accept that fee. But this is actually pretty standard with credit cards that are for bad people with bad credit. Okay. Also, they have a similar ARP. They have a 34.99% ARP, both Total and the Revy card. So just be aware of that when you're looking up, and thinking about applying for these two cards. Okay. And the last card that I have on the list, which is actually my favorite in this list that I have for you today, which is the Indigo card, okay? And I like this card because if you already have bad credit, you don't need to be getting any more hard pulls or nothing like that. So with this card, the Indigo card, you can actually pre-qualify. And if you are accepted and and they approve you for this card, you'll have a $300 credit limit, and you'll only have about $201 to spend initially. But this is just so you can build credit. Now, the Indigo card has a better ARP than the other two on this list. So it's a pre-qualification and an APR of 24.9%. Okay. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you apply for any of these cards. Did you pre-qualify for the Indigo card? Just let me know. And I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Let's get to 500 subscribers. Maybe I'm a little bit ambitious, but we already got to 150. So I think that we could do 500. Okay. So let me see you guys comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.